Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Jerry.
And I'm Jill.
And today we're out here at the wood processor, the world's famous hillbilly wood processor. And we have a pile of slabs that we need to get taken care of before we can start cutting our firewood for next year. These slabs are for our cabins and maple syrup season next year. So we have two big piles and a big pile on there. We're going to cut them to 16 inches and we are going to split them because they're for our cabins, the roadside stands, and maple syrup. But last few weeks we haven't made any content because we've been in Florida.
It was nice.
It was really nice. We had a good time. We were down in the Cape Coral area and we got some video and pictures of things like that, but what a great time. So we're going to get cutting. It was one of those kind of vacations. It was almost 3 weeks long and I was ready to get back home because I was gnawing at the bit to get some projects done. But we're going to get this going. The SuperSplit's been warmed up once. I had a couple snafus. Everything I have has flat tires over the winter, except this quad. This has newer tires. That trailer was flat. That trailer was flat, and that quad tires are flat. In fact, that one quad tire won't even hold air anymore. It blew out. It's so dry rotted. So it looks like I'll be buying new tires for that quad soon. We got the MS441 set up, and we probably won't even need the winch today. I do have the hook to the battery, but we probably won't need the winch. So let's get this going. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right,
Start
cool.
throwing some wood in the trailer.
Yep, let's do it. I couldn't quite remember the setup, how we had these set up last year, but they're going to roll down this ramp, the slab wood. We're going to split it, and we're going to split it about 4 inches wide, and then she's going to throw it over here. I'm not sure if this is, maybe we should turn this, Jill, 90 degrees. So you're going like this and not turning all the way around. What do you think? Let's try it.
Well, now is it coming down and I'm splitting it and throwing it in?
Yeah, unless you want to run the chainsaw.
No, I'm good. I just...
Well, then so let's turn this.
I can do that. We can try it.
All right, we'll try it.
Let's try it and then we can always change it.
All right, let's get going. Yeah, just like that. That's wide enough. Yep. Yeah, just like that. No smaller. Like these, Jill? Don't even bother splitting these, yeah.
That's okay.
What do you think? How did it go?
Good, but I'm tired.
We're tired. Yeah, both of us are tired. It took a while. We got 2 full trailer loads, and she stacked it. This is all going to get stacked on pallets, and then we'll put it up for the cabins next year. This will be next winter's wood. This is all pretty dry. These slabs are all thin, you see, but some of it will make some nice bundle wood. We cut about 3 by 3. So that's it, guys. The Hillbilly wood processor, 3 U-line conveyors, a winch. We didn't need the winch. I usually use the winch for the logs, but these are flat, so they roll real nice. You saw me rolling them. So until next time, guys, take care. See ya.
Have a good one.